Final part of the Mix from Scratch series. And today we're going to be covering effects and the final little tweaks you make when you've got a track ready to go for mastering. So, hope you enjoy. Any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share this with a friend.
There's really not a whole lot left to do, to be honest. I'd probably just put one of these on this bus and get rid of all the lows. Maybe round off the highs a little bit. Make a bit of room for the bass and all that stuff here as well. Always keep that in mind. Around 300, 400 hertz. Around 300, 400 hertz. Keep that for your bass. Keep that for those low, mid, dominant instruments. Sometimes it might be a synth, but in this case, it's the bass and it's the bass layers. So I'm making room for that. Cool, and the final thing I would do is, if you've got Soothe, put it on the master, but if not, do this. There's quite a lot of build up there, isn't there? Yeah, so what I was doing there was I was finding frequencies that were building up, boosting frequencies that I felt like there were gaps. So if I do this, there was a bit of a gap there, so I boosted it. And then, yeah, taking off what is not really needed. So like below 20 hertz, above 17 hertz, 17k hertz, sorry, not needed. And yeah. Maybe bring this down. Cool, I'm loving the sound of this, and I think it's going to sound brilliant when it's mastered. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I know at times I wasn't really talking much, but I was trying to show you how quickly we could get the Mixdown done. So I will make another video being a bit more in depth with a Mixdown, but this one was a bit more of like a off the cuff, show you like my process, do it as quickly as possible, and kind of just no fluff really. Like, No fluff, no BS, straight into it, show you what I can do, show you what will make your tracks better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know any feedback for this video, and if you want to see me do any more videos, if there's anything in this that you want me to go more in depth about, like the sends, the buses, the compression, all of that stuff, let me know. Cheers guys, take care.